Hey guys, what's up? Today we are back at the lake. Yesterday we were at the lake too, and I am stranded. Like I am literally stranded.
Look, you're not stranded.
Yes, I am.
No, you are not. You're like 20 feet away. Stranded.
Oh God, they're coming for me.
I can stand up, and I'm like not that tall.
They're coming for me. Push me out. Oh God!
You asked for that. Like literally, you actually did that.
Yeah, but now Stop. Greta, stop.
It's Portia!
I'm calling you by your real name every time you splash me.
Then you're gonna need to keep that out. Don't care.
I know, but I might not. What if? Help! I'm stuck.
Wait a second. Look at this. This thing made a mark on the bone.
Wow. Wait, what is that thing?
Necklace.
Wait, let me see it.
So you just
Don't you dare throw it at me.
No, but it left a mark.
Pork chop.
What?
Just come get someone. Bring me.
I'll help you.
No. Someone, no, that way.
Dunks go.
I know, I don't want to go this way. I don't want to go towards land.
Fine, I'm gonna make a big wave. Avery, get out of the way.
Gotta
There's gonna be a wave.
go. Help. Ah! Oh God, it's going onto my butt. Ow, gosh. Get out.
I need
Get out. It's sinking.
No one pushes me down on the
I will.
Okay. No one pushes me down.
Coco, bring me back. I'll give you it. Just let me go on.
Don't tell me it just won't. I can let you
Coco.
go on.
Yeah, I will go on the island and you can have this thing. Just bring me back.
No
Okay.
one pushed me down.
Now that I
Give me the camera.
No.
I'm recording everything.
Bring me back. I need to get on to land. What is
that
this
up here? But it's nice.
I don't know. Necklace. Okay.
My
GoPro just flopped like a fish. Peace. Flop. I think that's the peace symbol, so peace.
Okay, so now all you have to do is push me down.
No. Cat, go.
How?
No, it's Pro-Cat.
How? Pro-Cat, come
No.
on. Push me down. Someone push me down.
Okay. I'm not helping Coco.
Foot reveal.
Foot reveal.
Foot reveal.
Okay.
Foot reveal.
We need another.
Go.
We need another 100.
Whoa! Look at that.
Yeah, let's clear it with your body.
No.
Annihilated.
It's cold.
Wow.
Come.
I'm staying up here. It's warm.
This is so fine. Let's go.
Okay, I'm.
Get over here.
Coco, can you?
Put myself into a good position to get a sit
Coco, pick me up.
Cameras on me.
Oh God, Coco.
Pick me up.
No, pick me up. I need to go back to shore.
No, I need pick me up. Fine. Someone get on.
Pro-Cat. I'm Pro-Cat, by the way. I am not.
I'm Pork Chop.
That name.
No, Pork Chop is first, so go Pork Chop.
Oh God, we're sinking. We're sinking.
I am the taxi.
We're sinking. The taxi's sinking.
Be grateful.
No.
You're not grateful. Sorry, Pork Chop, you can go first. He's being ungrateful.
No, please.
Now pick me up.
Bring me back.
Fine.
Bring me back.
I shall go.
Bring me back.
So whether the taxi is sinking or not, we're keeping it.
I know. Just bring me back. There's so much water coming in. Okay, yeah, I think we're on shore. Can I do the taxi?
No.
No, please.
I'm doing the taxi. I'm pulling it.
No. Grab. Why can't I be the taxi? Guys, I'm not sure that thing's tied down. You guys used to be right here.
Who wants taxi next? On you. Camera's on you. I'll just. Then you know what? You can have it.
First of all, I'm ProCat. Second of all, thank you.
I have glasses on.
So, glasses won't do a thing.
I forgot.
Okay, can I
forgot I had glasses
Can I have
on.
it, Coco?
Hold.
Coco, give me. Coco.
I am so
Coco.
cold right now.
Coco. Coco.
You need to pick me
Coco. No.
Coco,
No.
pick me up.
No, we're stranding Pork Chop. Pork Chop. No, run, everyone. Pork Chop, you're stranded.
Sorry. Bin bags.
Woohoo! Okay, now I am on a floaty that's sinking and we.
Please, someone help me. I'm gonna have to do that.
No, I'm gonna drag.
I can't float. I can't float.
Yeah.
I know I'm on an island.
No. So Pork Chop, I'm pretty sure that thing isn't tied down. So if I can get to you, I'm.
Bro, this is what you get for choosing a hard name to be
ProCat.
wrong.
It's ProCat.
ProCat, this is what you get for choosing
Please
a hard
stop
name.
it.
Fine.
Stop.
You should probably take all that water
I'm
out.
trying to help.
Someone pick me
I
up.
know. I'm trying to help you if you'd stop splashing. Okay, now. No, get off. Get off. I'm pretty sure this thing isn't tied down, so I'm pretty sure we can literally
Move it over
catch.
here. Move it over here.
Catch.
I want to go to the giant trampoline.
Well, then go.
But we can't because we don't have our swimmer's license.
But is a lifeguard on duty?
Good point. Who wants to go with me to go on a giant trampoline? But give me the taxi.
No.
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 No one wants to go.
Okay, I'll go with you if I have the taxi.
Yeah, you want the taxi. We'll just swim.
Yeah, I get the taxi.
Have fun. No one's pulling.
No. Oh my God! I need to get back to shore to empty out all this water first. There's a lot of water, and then we're going out to the big balloon. That sounds wrong.
I'm kind of scared to go for some reason. I'm scared of fish. Why am I scared of fish?
I don't know. You're literally named something with fish.
I know.
What are you named?
Catfish.
Oh God. That,
Also, can I please become the escort because I haven't been in it yet? We need a camera.
First of all, I'm ProCat. Second of all, Coco gifted this to me. Guys, I'm coming with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to film our great adventures.
I know, I'm filming these great adventures in style. By the way, it's like 30 feet deep out there.
I know, I've been. God, here, Mom. I can't swim.
Well, that's why we have this giant floaty.
Can I?
Yeah, everyone just hang on to the side.
Yeah, but it's gonna sink then.
No, it won't. Like, once we get out there, it'll fill with water, but it won't sink.
Over!
No, go under! Under always works better. Oh, God!
I'm scared to go. I don't really want to go.
Then you don't have to.
But I don't want to be alone out here.
Ah. Well, you can just get on with us.
Ah!
Wait, we could also grab you a life jacket.
No.
Wait, no, stop it.
Don't stop.
Ah! Stop!
Wait, do we need a life jacket to go out here?
Yeah, we get life jacket. No, stop. Bring us.
life jacket.
Yeah, bring us back. We're getting life jackets.
We're going over.
Because that thing taught me because that experience right there just taught me.
That was me.
No, that flipped it.
Yes. That was me. That was me, camera.
Okay, so I think we're not yet into depth where I feel comfortable. Only once it's up to you his ankles will I get out of my party barge. Okay, I'll get out of my party barge. By the way, I call this.
Stop. Can I please?
Yeah, we can share it.
Where is the life jacket?
We're Okay, so me and Kadako are sharing the life jacket. Are sharing the party barge thing.
Wait, but I'm gonna need it one day.
Someday.
I'm gonna need it.
Someday is not today. Okay.
Today.
Dang it, it's locked.
How do we?
It's locked. Dang it.
What are we gonna do now?
We're just not gonna use life jackets.
I can't swim.
Then get on the raft. I'm getting on the raft because I can't. I can't swim. Okay, you get on. Oh my God.
It's so deep. Finn, can you swim well?
First of all, I'm pro cat. Second of all, no.
First of all, I can't swim.
Get on. We left your spot.
Okay.
This might. Oh God, it's on the ground.
You guys are gonna have to.
Guys, everyone out. We all sit on the edge. Stop it, pork chop. We're all sitting on the edge like this. See how this works?
Oh yeah.
We don't sink. Wee-hee! Don't sink.
I'm not gonna pull you any farther past the middle.
What?
I'm not pulling you guys past the middle
Why?
because you need to learn how to swim.
But then we're gonna be stranded.
I saw a meme that's like, I don't know how to swim. The dad throws the child in the water. He learns how to swim. Now you
No,
learn.
that is a meme that's like really not safe.
I know it's not safe, but it's your life.
No, God! Oh God, we're tilting!
That's what you're me.
Feet up, feet up.
After you
No.
guys cross this, you guys are kind of done for.
No, we're not. No! Wait, I have an idea. Okay, so, no, don't pull it anymore.
Great,
Just-
bye.
We're gonna,
Use the edge. Use the edge.
I'm trying.
Rope.
We literally can't. We're too deep in the water, too.
Oh my God!
Pork chop, get back here! Pork chop! Pork chop, we need your help.
What? No, Coco stuff over.
No, pork chop. Wait, no. Oh yeah, we use that edge. Good idea, Coco. Oh God, Coco! Okay, yeah, Coco big brain. Coco big brain. See, we're gonna pull up on, we're gonna use that thing to pull us.
How?
Yeah. We just have to get underneath this
No,
thing.
we're going over.
What's
Well,
wrong
I can't
with
touch the bottom, so.
We are not going over, that's for sure.
Kara is.
No, it like won't be possible. We're too deep in the water. Oh wait, maybe. We made it. Yay.
Are we going to that island right there?
Yeah, we're set sail for that island, and by sail I mean we're just gonna pull on this rope. Coco is big brain. No, it won't sink yet.
You guys are so heavy.
We're not pulling you, and you're not pulling us.
But I know.
So then get off.
Stop pulling on me! Stop pushing me! You're leaning back against my back, and if I fall, you guys are dead. Because it's gonna tilt.
If I let go of this GoPro, it's gonna die.
I can hold
No, it won't. Okay. Oh my God, we're almost out here. Okay, so guys, we have a small problem that we overlooked. The ladder's on the other side. It's on that side.
This side?
No, the other side.
This side?
Yeah.
If I can climb up the ladder, I could grab you and pull you over.
Oh my. No, we'll just go on. Oh wait, but don't we want to go out to the island over there?
Yeah, but we need to get up first.
Well, no, we just need to
The
get.
water's green.
No, that's normal. No, pork chop, stop it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the same strategy for that rope. right there. And we're just gonna pull ourselves. Just pull ourselves to that rope, and then we can...
Wait, sorry, Pork Chop, are you feeling bad? What? Are you feeling okay? Because you look dim, and that's how people drown.
Yeah. No, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
That's why I'm saying we should get up here.
Oh, yeah, but over there... Okay, guys, sorry. The GoPro ran out of batteries, so I'm gonna use I'm gonna use Catfish's footage for that part, and she's gonna use mine because hers just ran out of battery. So, but we were like out there, and it ran out of batteries, so we couldn't get back. So we just played like some games and stuff. Coco, Pork Chop, Coco, someone pick me up. Pick me up. Okay, I'm in. Oh God, this is so
What speed would you like to go?
fast. Like the fastest you can go. Oh my God! Oh my God! We have a wait! We have a wait! Oh my God! We have a wait! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Do it to me.
Oh my God!
Did you enjoy your ride?
No!
Pro Cat, not one change of character.
Get a video. Get a video.
Okay, we're gonna show Coco getting the ride of a lifetime. They have like a wake.
my.
No, that's not it.
I know, but
No, watch.
oh yeah, that's nice.
No.
Wait, get in.
Oh, maybe it's Pork Chop getting the ride of a lifetime. Go as fast as possible.
Ow, that seems nice.
Yeah, it is. I like went so fast.
So who wants to go down before me?
No one. Why?
I'm scared to go down.
I'm going first.
Why? I belly flopped from this thing.
I want first.
I know. I'm not going down. I'm just a filmer.
Okay. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, put the camera over there.
No.
Point the camera over there.
Oh, you're jumping. Go.
JK.
Me,
Get in the water. Get in the water.
This is bloopers. That is bloopers territory.
Guys, who let go of the taxi?
It's scary.
We can just go grab it. It's not that deep.
I'll get it.
Yeah, that
You get the I need.
No.
You got a free taxi ride, okay?
Yeah, could you give it
That
to
is
me? And then can I just have it? Because I want to do something with it.
I have been tortured and cold. I have been tortured, cold, and now I'm angry at the water for getting my glasses wet.
Okay, my glasses have been wet since last night. Okay, stop kicking. Okay, so, no, Coco's, could I just see it?
Stop! Look, you're seeing it.
No, like, could I go in it and have it? Could I?
Fine, 1 second.
What's wrong with you?
Sorry, it'll take a minute.
Do you see what Coco is trying to do?
Drain out the water.
No, I just asked her, can I see it? And now she's putting water in it.
But wasn't she earlier just taking water off of it?
No, she's in.
Number 1.
Stop it. This isn't a trampoline.
We're doing number 1.
This isn't a trampoline. Okay, Coco, could I please Coco, could I have it?
It's not full. Campus child. Yes.
Don't kick. Please don't kick. Please don't kick. Please. Ah!
What is it? I'm trying to fill this up so it's very inconvenient to thing when I give it to you.
To ProCat.
To ProCat.
I might just start calling you your name from now on. That's
Go back to the trampoline.
no. That's I don't. I think. Okay, can I have it now?
I dare you to jump into it.
No, can I have it?
I dare you to jump into it.
No.
Can I jump into it?
No.
I'm
Can
jumping into
can I have it? No, no, no. You just let out half the water.
Let me do it. Let me do
No,
it.
could I please have it? I want to do something.
Don't do that again. No, shark, catfish child. Catfish, my child. Don't do that again. I'm not your child. Well, it's catfish child, so I'm just.
I really hope that the pool at Pinehouse is warmer than this lake.
Of course it is. This is a lake.
I know, but sometimes it gets really cold.
Here it is, your chariot of inconvenience.
Okay, can I please have it?
The last
Stop
splash.
it.
That was the last splash.
Okay.
After this, I'm gonna do it.
Water's so murky.
No, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna
No,
jump in after this.
no. It's warm. No, this is my hot. Yeah, this is a hot tub. No.
I'm gonna do the same thing after Finn.
Oh God. Pro cat.
I mean after Procat.
I'm sorry.
No. No, I swear to God, if you make me go over that rope, please let me go back. Let me go back. Please, seriously, let me go back. Thank you.
No.
No, stop it. Stop.
You're just hitting me.
I know, stop.
By the way, viewers, he's hitting me with the camera.
Stop.
Fine.
I'm just.
Fine. Hey guys, let's do some girl stuff. Yeah! I just said, hey guys, let's do girl stuff.
No, Finn, bring me back the floaty. I want
It's Pro Cat. So no.
Finn, bring me back the floating thingy. I want to go try jumping in it.
No.
I want to let Calico down. Who wants to go to the other island so Finn can't do that?
Please stop calling Pork Chop.
I can give this free swim lesson.
Pork Chop. Stop calling me by my real name.
Procat, you guys. Procat, don't stop.
Good, because it's annoying.
Portico and catfish child. But you can just call me catfish. I'll just call you catfish.
Okay, so they're trying to go out to that island, I think, so that I can't get to them. Little do they know, I'm the only one who has a floaty. Idiots. Fridge. Am idiot. I'm gonna. Now I have to kick my way. You don't get the floaty. It's my floaty. You don't get it. No. This was no. Get off. Get off. Get off. You're gonna capsize.
Oh, why is the ground so soft here?
Because that's clay. That's good.
Feels so stringy.
Yeah.
Oh, that is disgusting.
Yeah, you might have stepped in fish poop if it's stringy. Also, let go. You're going to sink us.
I really don't want to go.
Well, then don't.
I want to be on camera though. Indecisionness.
Why do you want to be on camera?
Because I want to make a YouTube video.
Well, then you are. So why are you going if you don't want to go?
Okay. Otherwise, I'll be all alone.
I'm stranded here. Like literally, I stopped just enough so that I can't grab the rope. Wait, yes. Besides, they're going out to that island. It's boring.
Oh yeah.
Wait, if we dried this thing out, we could probably bring the towels and like lay our towels out over there.
Oh yeah.
Well, in that. Yeah. Wait, would it work? No. Do I want it? Wait, I'd have to have your help.
Freezing cold. I can't swim this.
Well, then why are you right now? Turn
I can
back.
still stand.
I will make it back to the rope, and I will fill this thing with towels, and I probably, hopefully, will make it back to land, and there, and back, and stuff, you know what I mean. Okay, got over. It's kind of just me all alone. This isn't good content, so I'm just gonna pause the video, and once I get back, I'll show. Okay, so it was fun. We're gonna head back, and
Two children are jumping on trampoline. I wonder if they'll make it back.
yeah, Coco and Pork Chop are not going to make it back.
Should we just leave them?
Yeah, sure. Hey, Dad, we're ready to go. No, we don't. No, Floaty. Floaty, get back here. Floaty. Bad Floaty. I don't like this Floaty. This Floaty is not a good Floaty. I just stepped on a rock. Which... We're leaving! We're leaving! Get back here! Yeah, they're not coming. Yeah, they're not coming. So, this might escalate. Oh God. Avery! I mean, catfish. By the weight of this thing, I don't think it's filled with air anymore. It's so heavy. Feel how heavy this is.
I mean, there is still water in it, but...
Really, that much water is that heavy? Oh my! That's water! Feel that! No, lift it up. Lift that side up. Oh, no, feel this versus... No, lift it up. Continue. This versus that.
Can you do it to me?
Sure. Also, if we lift it up... Yeah, okay. Also, you can see it jiggle.
Oh my!
That's water.
How? Was there a leak or something?
This thing isn't technically meant for... I mean, I've suspected there's a leak in here for a while. Could you hold the camera?
Yeah.
Just point out what I'm doing. Are they coming back?
I don't know.
Yes.
I honestly just kind of want to see all the water come out.
Well, that's all the air.
Now it's time for the water.
Oh, God. Wait, is there water? There might not be. There isn't any water. Huh? What the? Oh, yeah, there's. That's water right there. Oh!
Flip it. And do something.
Did you see all that water? Oh my, it's still coming. Dad, I think this thing has a leak. A lot of water just came out of it.
Sure.
No, like a ton. It's still coming. like more water than should come out of this. Oh my God, it's still there. Oh God. Whoa, it makes you fall.
How do I still have my shirt around my...
Right, are you guys all set?
Nope.
They're not coming.
You'll get them.
No, I'm not swimming out there. I'm like just got dry.
Same.
Guys, we're leaving! We're leaving!
Pork chop! Coco, we're leaving!
Okay, yeah, they're getting off.
Let's leave without them. Make them panic.
Leaves. They're honestly still not leaving. Okay. Should we just leave without them? No, they aren't. There's... I'm gonna go put my sweatshirt on because I am freezing. No, they're just not. I'm not sure they're coming. Yeah, so that's great. They're just not gonna be here. That'll be fun. Warmth, towels. Why are you stumbling like that then?
I'm
What?
not used to walking on rocks barefoot.
Look at me. It's so easy.
Yeah, but it hurts.
Curl your toes. Ta-da!
Oh, that's actually perfect.
Vlogging
That's
at its
ingenious.
Vlogging at its finest.
I need to go grab mine.
The suffering I went through before I could wear this. Okay. You guys might fall. No, you're not gonna. I'm gonna. It might be a little shaky. I'm folding up the tripod into vlog mode. But actually, it is vlogging mode. It just always is vlogging mode. It's a vlogging. I'm going into way too much detail. Yeah, they're not coming. I'm not. Where even are they? Are they just not here? Okay. This is how we ride. Also, I apologize for trying to do an outro and then it going on for like 15 more minutes, 8 more minutes, but it's happening. Riding in cargo bed can cause severe injury or death. Do not ride in cargo bed. I just now noticed that we've been riding in this thing down to the beach. We've ridden in this thing 4 times. We're good. We die. We're good. Me dies. Okay, so why the fridge fudge are they screaming my name? I just have a nice little setup here. Got my blanket. It's engraved with my name, but I'm not allowed to show that. Are they coming?
Yeah.
They don't look like they are.
They better be.
Well, they're taking their time for sure.
Not for these, but
No, I looked at the footage. We
what
told
footage?
we're filming, but we told them to come back like 15 minutes ago,
Oh, I see.
and they're still coming back. Oh, forgot my second GoPro battery. Okay, guys. Ow! Stepped on a rock. Pain. Okay.
You have fun?
Yeah. Okay.
It's so cool to have a beach here, huh?
Yeah. Get up.
You have the inflatable?
No.
You need that.
What are those kids doing? The slide's like collapsing.
I have no idea, but we gotta go though.
I know, I'm going. Guys, are you coming? It's right there. Cause you guys, no, like we have to leave. We should have left 10 minutes ago, guys. So
And then we started going.
that was 20 minutes ago I told you guys, and you guys kept jumping.
What?
You guys kept jumping like 20 minutes ago when I told you guys that we were leaving.
We only heard the time when we actually started coming. As soon as we heard you.
Well, you guys look.
Have the back people go in front and the front people go in back.
Why?
Because I wanted to dangle my feet off the edge for once. I've never done that before.
Well, isn't that? Well, then why hadn't you?
What do you mean?
The back has holes in it. Just dangle your feet off the side.
We were having this time of our lives.
Yeah, you really should have came with us.
Well, I'm glad I didn't, because you guys were. We should have left like 20 minutes ago.
It takes us a while to swim over, okay?
Yeah, but the
don't know
first
how to
time we
swim.
told you, you guys didn't even come.
Instructing me the whole way.
It's because we didn't hear you the first time.
Poor Chuff was instructing you the whole way.
Yes, Greta was instructing me. Pork
Pork-
Chop was instructing me the whole way.
Okay, we've said this sentence 5 times. Okay, where do I?
Maybe dragging it through the gravel is not the best way to keep it free from holes.
Yeah, but where do I put it?
I don't know, you guys brought it out. Put it on the back.
Yeah, but now it's wet.
I don't care where you put it. Sit on it. Put a towel over it.
Yeah, let's.
Roll it up and set it right here.
Wait, Avery, I need to put my towel down. It's so hot. We're putting our towels down. So who's not?
I'd rather step on rocks than have sandy shoes.
Okay, yeah. Wait, so are we switching or not? Are we switching back, front, back?
Yeah.
Okay, then switch, because you just got in the back.
Just the front. Finn, I swear to God, if you push me. Oh, and by the way, Finn, you're dealing with it. Oh, Greta.
No,
you're
I'm
dealing
sitting with you because
Got
I
it.
do not trust.
Coco, you just used real names like 15 times.
You play filming?
Fudge
Yeah, I'm still filming. Dad, do not go yet.
Fudge.
Please stop.
Hey,
Coco.
it's Coco here. Hi, bye fam. We're going back from the beach. See ya. What'd you say?
Okay, you guys good?
I will be beeping that out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correctly. Yes, you will.
Also,
See ya. I hope you had fun watching us in our
Catfish.
play date.
catfish. Look, feet
I'm
dangling.
not gonna push you.
Don't be on the edge.
Okay.
Why?
You can scoot back a lot.
But can we dangle our feet?
Scoot back like a lot.
Okay. Feet dangling.
Waves of coolness falling down.
Falling down, falling down. We are gonna get happy right ahead.
Keep us flat as they hit the ground. Hit the ground. Hit the ground.
Guys, we're
Keep
gonna
us
get
flat as they hit the ground.
we're gonna get copyrighted.
Broken bones and blood and gore.
Now we're gonna get demonetized.
Blood and gore. Broken bones and blood and gore. My fair lady. We don't have no school no more. School no more. School no more. We don't have no school no more.
Help.
My fair lady.
Okay, this is gonna be a long video.
Potatoes
Yeah.
gonna end the world. End the world. End the world.
Potatoes are gonna end the world and I'm gonna help them. Wait, let me.
Who's gonna
Lemons are one
Potatoes.
letter away from demons. Away from demons. Away from demons. Lemons are one letter away from the demons. My fair lady. Apparently the world is gonna end. Gonna end. Gonna end. Apparently the world is gonna end. My dead lady.
Okay, now I've got some people in.
Hey, wait, Coco. Coco
Wait,
here.
no, wait. We're gonna. Sorry, guys. Perfect. There we go.
We're doing random shenanigans.
Yeah. We're gonna go.
Shenanigans.
We're gonna go.
Just use that in the wrong context.
Oh, Avery, bleep that! Bleep that!
I know. I'm gonna bleep the whole thing because you just said her name. Okay, so. We're gonna.
Footage because we all say each other's names.
I know. No, the footage keeps rolling. I just play circus music.
No, you just play the what song is it?
I know that circus music.
Never give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you.
Never gonna
Make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye.
Always
Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
Imagine you just see us. Oh, guys, do you want to see something great that I found? If you scooch this and then this, riding in the cargo bed can cause severe injury or death.
I know I have that in my
Yeah, and we're riding in the cargo bed, guys. Yeah! I'm not even holding on. I'm vlogging right now.
So we're vlogging. Can we guess? Oh God, I nearly just fell.
Never gonna give you up.
Never gonna let you down.
Okay, so once we get back to my house, I'm gonna turn this off, guys. So it was a great video. It was really fun, and
By the way,